can't resist us. This is how we rise up. Heavy as a hurricane, louder than a freight train. This is how we rise up. Heart is beating faster, feels like thunder. Magic static, call me a fanatic. It's our world, they can never have it. This is how we rise up. It's our resistance, you can't resist us.
Yo, what's going on? What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video by the Gaming Rail Fan. We got some Iowa Pacific cars over there, an Erie passenger car, and all these. Plus, I found these. That's right, I'm in Oxford, Mississippi, near Batesville. Whoa, I just realized I got some MTA cars over there. I'm gonna have to get some photos of those too. Over here we got ex-Wisconsin and Southern SLRG patch for St. Louis and Rio Grande. The E8s, including the original Iowa Pacific 515, which I have on a Canadian National shirt. I'm telling you, what a find right here, because they're parked right beside each other, and that is a beautiful shot. Look at that, guys. It's also attached for Iowa Pacific. That was the Grenada Railroad's doing. This may be technically trespassing, I don't know. But here we got the Iowa Pacific E8. I mean, heck yeah! First trains on the Grenada Railroad. Okay, well, I was going to try and get... We got the City of New Orleans cars over there. Those are the MTA cars over there I was going to try and get a photo of. Oh, well. Alright. Haven't seen any other trains here. Over here in Oxford, and I didn't think the Grenada Railroad went through Oxford, but it does. I'm telling you though, some nice shots of some beautiful locomotives. We're going to take one more look right here. Look at that. Beautiful. All right. Well, guys, hope you enjoyed Iowa Pacific E8 and next Wisconsin and Southern E8 for the Grenada Railroad. Heck yeah! Hope y'all guys enjoyed. Goodbye.